Ja, genau, sonst hast du die Commit hast du ja danach wieder die E-Mail-Adresse dran. Oder gibt dir halt die Möglichkeit, dass du so eine anonymisierte E-Mail-Adresse wir können ja, weil wir hier in Gilford bin. Ach, du bist mit? Ja, okay. Der geht nachher weg, also unser Gilford geht weg und dann ist das egal. E-Mails, unter deinem Account E-Mails und dann keep my email as part. Und dann steht irgendwie diese
Hey. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Thank you for contributing. So, folks, if you want to just, I'm going to go through the last few slides. If you already read them, feel free to go. If you want to hear me read them, you can stay for like 5 more minutes. Up to you. I'm not offended. So, you already know how to open a PR. How many of you already opened a PR? I already started labeling. Congratulations. If you haven't opened a PR, have you already picked an issue? Are you working on an issue? Yeah, great. Anyone thinks they'll keep working on it after the workshop and find issues by themselves? Yeah, awesome. So if you'd like to stay active in the Pandas contributor community, we have a page that has when we meet, when we discuss. We have meetings that are just for newcomers every month. We have a Slack, and I have a QR code for you if you want to join the Slack. So generally, we recommend that you ask anything that you need help with on the issue, on the PR they need help with. But if it's something with like your local dev environment or something you're just like, I'm not sure if it's only me or I don't feel comfortable asking this publicly on GitHub, then that's what the Slack is for. At least that way, all of the other new contributors and so on will see, what the issue and how we resolved it. So it's just a smaller subset of the community instead of everybody. Yeah, we have monthly meetings for new contributors that you could, if you're working on a PR and something isn't working right, you just want to explain it, you just want to meet with us, you want someone to help you figure something out, you can share a screen and work with some of the maintainers. Sometimes we do demos. Patrick is going to do a demo about testing next month. If you want us to organize local events for you like this, then you can reach out to us. I regularly do them here in Berlin, but you can chat to us about other opportunities. And if you'd like to get more practice not on public pandas, where everybody sees of the whole open source process of contribution, where you need to make a fork and open a PR and how all of that works, this is a great project that just teaches you how to do that. Or if one of your friends want to do it and you don't feel comfortable necessarily explaining it yourself, that's a great way. What I like about it also that they have it in very many languages, and I know English is not my native tongue, it's not necessarily everybody else's native tongue, so you can also review it and see if it helps you. And if you need even more resources about contributing to open source, then I linked a few more things. Other projects that have calendars when they have meetings. A lot of other projects in PyData ecosystems have meetings for new contributors. Maybe you'd like to try to contribute to scikit-learn or to NumPy or to something else, then you might want to give it a go. But also a lot of other videos. Data Umbrella, one of our maintainers, Marco, also did a how to contribute to pandas video there. So if there's anything you want to review or have a look at, these are some amazing resources to keep you going. So any questions you want to ask? No? Well, thank you all for contributing to Pandas, and hopefully we'll see you on Slack and in one of the meetings. Thanks a lot. And you can stay until the end. It's just that I saw a bunch of people leaving, so I thought we'd do wrap up. which is why we also do the workshop, because
It was also like have one talk to you, being able to like talk to the